There's a bit of Rudyard Kipling on the banks of Jait Sagar Lake in Rajasthan's Bundi. It's called Sukh Nivas Mahal, where the celebrated writer of Kim and the Jungle Book had once stayed. Experts say that the lakeside royal retreat had hosted Kipling during his travels through princely India as it was then in the late 1880s.
बूंदी में वह क्योंकि 1887-88 में वह बूंदी आए थे, तो उन्होंने लगभग 4 महीने बूंदी का एक सुरम्य स्थल है जो राजाओं का ग्रीष्मकालीन निवास स्थान था, वहां पर वो ठहरे और वहां चारों तरफ पहाड़ियां, हरियाली, सामने तालाब और फिर उस तालाब के ऊपर वो जो सुख महल नाम उस समय जो राजाओं का जो ग्रीष्मकालीन निवास स्थान था उसका नाम उन्होंने सुख महल रखा था। वहां राजा की अनुमति से वह 4 महीने ठहरे और उस प्राकृतिक वातावरण में, शांत वातावरण में, हरियाली वातावरण में उन्होंने एक ग्रंथ लिखा और उस ग्रंथ का नाम था किम।
As you know, from the childhood period, we grew to see the series of Jungle Book. So we were so fascinating, and everybody knows about the Mowgli. So this room is one of the most inspiring for the every people in India. So on the death anniversary of Mr. Rudyard Kipling, I would like to tell you, Mr. Rudyard Kipling stayed here for the 2 nights during the writing of Kim, and he got some ideas of the Jungle Book, who published in his 2nd volume of Mowgli.
On Sunday, the White Marble Palace attracted tourists from India and abroad who gathered to commemorate Kipling's death anniversary. The tranquil surroundings, the intricate architecture of the palace, and its silent Kipling aura thrilled everyone.
जब हम यहाँ पे एंटर हुए तो हमें पता लगा कि यहाँ पे रूडियार्ड किपलिंग यहाँ पे रहते थे उनके टाइम पे, एंड आज उनका मेमोरियल डे है। ओके, तो एंड जब हम यहाँ पे एंटर किए और हमने इस जगह पे देखा कि उनकी रूट्स यहीं से ही, मतलब ही वाज बॉर्न इन इंडिया ओनली। ओके, तो ये भी एक सरप्राइज था हमारे लिए। वी थॉट लाइक ही वाज इन ब्रिटिश ओनली, बट या ही वाज बॉर्न ब्रिटिश इंडियन, ब्रिटिश इंडिया। एंड मतलब हमें पता था कि वो रूडियार्ड किपलिंग ने जंगल बुक बनाई, हमने सबने मूवीज देखी है, मोगली कैरेक्टर सबको पता है, बट हाँ कि उसकी रूट्स राजस्थान से जुड़ी हुई, ये थोड़ा सा आज पता चला था।
I haven't read Kim either, unfortunately, but I will now. I've read the Jungle Book and, of course, seen the movies of the Jungle Book. Yes, and my great nephew recently was very excited to buy an original edition of the Jungle Book. Yeah.
So, how do you feel to be here in Bundi?
Oh,
the place?
Bundi's a lovely place. The lakes are beautiful, aren't they? I can see why Kipling was so entranced to be here, overlooking the lake. Yeah, beautiful place.
It's really nice to be here on the anniversary of Rudyard Kipling's death. It's a very special place, and I particularly love his book Kim, and it's really special for us to know that he wrote some of it here. I can imagine him sitting at the window, looking out the window, seeing the animals at the lake. It must have been very inspiring for him.
The beautiful Sukh Nivas Mahal remains a key landmark in Rajasthan. Kipling had once wondered whether goblins had built this beautiful palace. Today, all Kipling fans visit this site with a sense of literary wonder.